Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing, you guessed it, another unboxing. Today we are unboxing the Lola Beauty Box. What is the Lola Beauty Box? The Lola Beauty Box is a beauty subscription service that provides 4 to 5 full-size products for $21 a month. I believe it's very similar to BoxyCharm. I could be bluffing, but I have heard, I think, that they are sister companies. I could totally be wrong. I don't know. But yeah, I have been receiving this box since December, and I've just never really gotten around to unboxing it. Like, things have always come up. My camera would die, my son wouldn't let me film, etc. But now nothing's stopping me from unboxing this with you. So let's go ahead and check out what's inside. There's like the Comcast guy outside, and he's like staring at me like, what are you doing? And I'm looking at him like, what are you doing? Like, come on, let me film. Opening up the box, this is what the inside of the box looks like. The theme this month, I guess, is just Hello March. And this is what the card looks like. I'm sorry, the lighting is really off. The back adds the prices and how to, not how to use them, but kind of gives you like a brief overview of each item. So the first item that I'm pulling out here is the Clarity and Enlightenment Konjac, if I butcher that, I'm sorry, Facial Sponge Duo. And this is what the packaging looks like on the face sponges. There we go. I believe it comes with like 2 face exfoliating sponges and one, could it be like a cleanser or a facial cream? Oh yeah. This face sponge pack retails for $7.99. I am actually pretty excited to receive this. Why? Because I have large pores. I have pores and I have extremely oily skin, so I love exfoliating often, and I do know that I will be getting good use out of this, and I will start using this probably tonight. The next item that I have here is from the brand Australis, and it is a banana, I believe like an under eye banana powder. That is what it looks like. This banana powder retails for $14.95, and it will banish any under eye dark circles, but it will color correct any skin tone's redness too. So that's really cool. I'm really looking forward to do this or use this. I've been really wanting to hop on the banana powder bandwagon. I've heard a lot of good things about banana powder, so I'm actually happy that we're getting this in this box. Next up, it's the Kaelyn Pure Lust Extreme Matte Tint in the color Honorable. This is what the outside of the packaging looks like. That's what the outside looks like, and the inside, opening it up, ooh, it looks like a liquid lipstick. I think it's a liquid lipstick, and this is what it looks like. I actually really like this color. This is a nice color. I feel like it would suit anyone, and I like how they add neutral colors that we can work with. This Pure Lust Extreme Matte Tint retails for $19. I don't think I would pay $19 for it, but yeah, that's what it says on the card. I like how they add indie brands to this box, because I do like discovering new brands and stuff, so that's really cool. A product that I saw a spoiler for that I'm actually very excited is for the Dermasuri, I don't know how to say that, Rice Milk Brightening Face Exfoliator, Roll Away Dead Skin Cells Instantly, Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin E. That is what the packaging looks like. I believe the inside, ooh, I ripped the packaging already. One of my favorite YouTubers, Abby, unboxed this, and she mentioned that it had a pump. Oh, I really appreciate it. When anything that involves skincare or makeup comes with a pump, I highly appreciate that. And let me tell you, I love Abby, and I love her unboxing. Last but not least, we are unboxing the Eyes on Unicorn from Australis palette. I believe it is a cream eyeshadow palette. Oh, and I'm sorry, the exfoliator retails for $29.99. Taking off the safety seal on the Unicorn palette, it is a cream eyeshadow palette. I'm kind of tired of this whole unicorn trend thing, but I mean, it's still going strong, I guess. But sorry if it doesn't pick up right away. This is how it looks like. I've heard a lot of mixed reviews on this. More so, I've heard bad reviews, that it's not pigmented enough. I'm gonna dig in it anyways just to see for myself. They feel very like Vaseline-y, I guess. They are like They are sheer, now that I'm looking at them. Let me swatch a couple. Oh, wow. I just dug my whole nail into one of them. Oh, just ruined this. Like, look how bad I just dug into it. Wow. Oh, well, we can't go back now. Might as well swatch it. This is how it looks swatched on my hands. I definitely agree that it lacks pigment a lot. I don't think I would use this on my eyes, to be honest. I do agree with others saying that they would probably only use it as a highlighter. Abby did say that she would probably only use it as a highlighter, and you know what, thinking about it, I probably will as well. I'll probably just add it on the tops of my cheekbones and along the bridge of my nose. But yeah, that palette was kind of a... Overall, this month, I was impressed with the box. Although the only disappointing product was the unicorn palette. I'm actually looking forward to using the exfoliator, the liquid lip, the banana powder, and the face exfoliator. So I'm happy to be getting those. And these are products that I know I'll get use out of, but I don't think I'll use the unicorn one unless it's for highlighting. So the March Lola beauty box almost hit the $100 value this month. I believe it was a good box except for the palette. I do enjoy Lola beauty box. I'm hoping they get better as they go. And if you enjoyed this unboxing and want to see more, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.